Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the customer care for Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. You can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top and then entering your credentials. Now, once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profiles. Now, from the Profile Settings page, scroll all the way down and you will find the Help Center. Click on Help Center and now you will be able to find Contact Agoda Customer Service button. Just go ahead and click on it and this will open up the live chat with Agoda Customer Care. You can simply click the given topics and you will find the answers based on your question. Or you can just simply type your message and send it to the customer care center. You can also use the chat menu at the bottom right corner to directly conversate with them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact customer care on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.